Hello from Slovenia again. I have some paints left and it's time to experiment again. So what I will do today is I will use this split cup pour from paintpourstore.com that I normally use, and I will pour my pearl white mixture in both those outer chambers, and in the middle I will pour some paint that I have left. So I will start with this turquoise blue and some greenish blue, both Amsterdam, and some Prussian blue by Artist Colors, and some permanent blue violet, and I have some cadmium red, and permanent red violet, and I will repeat it with the turquoise blue by Amsterdam and greenish blue by Amsterdam. And this Prussian blue. And permanent blue violet next. Oh, don't forget, tomorrow, not tomorrow, next week, a big collaboration is coming. Next week on Saturday, starts next week on Saturday with this little piggy pigments. So excited to share. Just want to remind you. So pearl white on both sides. Okay, and I will just pour this pearl white here because I will do a wandering straight pour here in the middle. Let me just spread this a little bit just to have some paint here. I'll just wet down my canvas a little bit with that pearl white. And I'm hoping for some cloudiness, cloudy wispy lines, or how can I say, featherings. But because I have my pearl white mixture, I hope that it will give me some interesting effects. But I don't know. Maybe all the colors will just sink into the pearl white. Let's see. This is probably the weirdest thing I ever done. Just don't think that I like it. Let's try to use some Skewer. Still that out. A little bit. I like these feathers here, but I just need some more, I don't know, something. Mina did some Villegas. So hard for me to, you probably know Mina did some amazing skewer swipes lately. Let's see, we can work with that. I tilt all the beauty off now, so it doesn't matter that I tried even, obviously. Okay. So I ended up with a total different painting that I was thinking of. But it's okay, because I like it. Just have to correct this part a little bit. I need a little white here and a little bit there. I definitely know what I want to do next time, because I like this transparency kind of, and I like the simplicity, but still I see quite some interesting stuff in here. So here it is. Very interesting stuff. I like the featherings, and I like those I should turn it around, or maybe this way. Okay, maybe I should have tailed this part a little more off. Let's do that. So I don't know, probably I did a mistake with the last tilt, but you can learn from my mistakes. I love those lines and all the colors that are here. I did tilt a lot of it off, but I know what to do differently next time, because I love some of the effects, and I love that skewer swipe, and I kind of like the whole composition too. I don't know, maybe even this way. I don't know. I will look not so happy with this part, and this here, but it was just an experiment, so I will definitely play some more, because you saw that there was a lot of color under the pearl white that you can bring to life with the skewer swipe. So definitely something to try again. Have a nice weekend, and see you on the next one. Bye.